Hello, this is Kelly from Root Pursuit Junk Journals, and I am just stopping to do a quick video of a really cool idea that I'm excited to show you. I was playing around with my journal. Forgive my cold, I know, it's crazy. But anyway, I'm doing a flip-flap journal, and I love this journal so much. I just have spent, so I did part 2, so if you didn't see part 2, that's fine, but I probably spent 10 hours on this journal since, and it's still not done. But I came up with some cool ideas, and I'm going to show one of them to you right now because I'm very excited about it, and then the different ways that you can do it. So let me just see if I can find it. I think it's over here. And you can get a little sneak peek on this little journal. That's super cool. Okay, where did you go? And I did like 2 of them in here, I think. But I lost them. All right, we'll find them. Found it. Okay. So I have this deli paper that I put in here. And I was like, what do I do with the deli paper? And then I got this idea to take this border strip. Because I have tons of these like cardstock border strips. And it has to be like the cardstock one. It can't be a real flimsy one. So I kind of pulled out some of my cardstock ones, but this is what I did. I just folded it in half and stapled it right here. And when I did that, it's so stiff that I was able to use it as a tuck. Yeah, as a tuck spot. Look at that. Is that ever cool or what? So I'm going to show you some different ones. And then I thought it would also be cool. So let's just say I saved this piece to go in a signature. I can do the border strip trick on this side, and then just, you know, I kind of cut a 12 by 12 sheet, and then I just folded this in to make a pocket that way. So it's like really, really fast, you know, sort of. I'm thinking about mass making these because it's such a quick concept. So anyway, I'm just going to fold this up to the extra. I think this is the only one that I did where I just kind of realized I could just fold that over. All right, what is going to match? Maybe these butterflies, perhaps? Perhaps this? No, not that. This? No. Excuse me for my coughing. That? No. Maybe this one. This is, so that's another thing. You can try to use these. This is the border strip. So when you have 12 by 12 paper and then there's like a serrated part and you just pull this strip off the end of it. There was another one that was like that. It was like the end of the 12 by 12 paper. So maybe we'll try that. Okay, I had to stop because I was having a gigantic coughing fit. Just make sure it's not double the size of your pocket. So you can go like this. I just fold it in half. And you kind of leave it out like a little tab. So it's like a tab and almost like a pocket tuck situation all in one. So there's that. Now we're going to need some tags for demonstration purposes. Check that out. And they really stay in there. They really do. I wouldn't put this tag with that particularly, but it does work. Look at that. And technically, you could even use this as a writing area around it. I love that so much. Let's try a different one. So yeah, I'm working on, let's try some book page. So you'd use this for a signature for sure. So, you know, it doesn't have to be the same width. It can be shorter, which is a good reminder of that too. Let's try this one. This one's like big and florally and wide. And I was like, what am I going to do with this thing? Could have been a pocket, but it's not going to. It's going to be, well, technically it is. It's going to do double duty. And maybe we'll give it, it honestly doesn't need anything else. 2 staples. Oh, these are my rose gold. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Let's check my staples in the back. Pull out some more tags. Isn't that cool? I love this so much. And I got some more ideas we can do with this. Oh, yes, I do. I'm just pulling out like super random tags. It's cool. Okay. But yeah, I did do the deli paper, so I thought maybe I'd try that again. What are they gonna do? Oh yeah, let's try to do like this one. This one's a little more plain-ish. And since it's like a tab also, what's my idea? Pop a little brad in there, just for effect. So what color did I use? I guess it don't matter. Does it matter? No. And then pop one in here. Close it open. Close it open. Close it up. Peppermint tea. That's what I'm working on. I had to stop actually in between there and go get some peppermint tea. That really just happened. Yeah, I paused the video. You can do it down low too. I'm going to do it in the middle though, just to make sure it's nice and happy and secure. See if my stapler likes the fact that there's brads in there. It does not. So now what are we going to do? It's a good question. I should have used... Such a great idea I had. Now, how can we work our way out of this? That's always the question. Like, when we get ourselves into situations in junk journaling where we're like, yeah, I thought that was going to work, but then it really didn't work. And then how do we fix it? Well, we're going to figure it out. Somehow, some way. And it would help if I had another... Oh, I do. I have another stapler. Now, is this one going to work? We're going to find out in a second. It did. It worked. And it's got my pretty staples that I painted. Ooh, isn't that nice? Oh, this is so exciting. All right, find some tags to put in there. Oh, I've got a little peacock. It's the peacock. What else do I have? Oh, I've got this cute little notepad. Come on, look at that. Will it hold a whole notepad? I don't know. We're going to find out. I'd say that holds. And that's cute looking. This is such a winner. Isn't it? What else can we do with these? Okay, so I have another idea. This is a little too much for me to be keeping that like that, but it's good in theory. Can this go in here? It just can't go any further than... It feels like you're pushing the limits a little bit when you do that. I like pushing the limits sometimes, but... Well, you know. Okay, I'm a fan of that. I'm a fan. Let me try this one. I like that better. Okay. That's cool. Okay, there's another one done. Now, this could be fun. That could be like a grungy sort of thing. And the skinny, no, I don't want to do a skinny. I want to do a wide one. Yeah, because of... Well, that's not straight. We're going to straighten that out. Just bear with me. Anyway, when I had the flu or something, I usually drink, thank you, turmeric tea or licorice tea, and those really make me feel better. But they have not been working with this cold I have. So, okay, you need to scooch over a little. Scooch over. Here we go. And, oh, that was really crooked. Well, how in the heck? Okay, I have two of these border strips that are just like this. Well, thank goodness. Because that looks awful. Okay, hold on. It's in here somewhere. Some of that. Here we go. Okay, let's not do that again. First of all, I'm gonna trim some of this off. so it fits in my, there we go. That side is straight. This is the side that is definitely not straight. We just want it to be straight, that's all. That's all. It's not asking too much. Anyway, any kind of cardstock, so if you don't have a pile of these like I happen to have, you can always make your own. Absolutely. This isn't symmetrical. Anyway, so I'm trying peppermint tea because it's an expectorant. Awful cold. Okay, I'm glad I spent all day working on that journal because I don't think I could have really made it through a bunch of videos. I couldn't have. Okay, so we've got that. Now we just fold it in half. That's the easiest part. Isn't that great? Okay. Yeah, it turns out I'm totally fine if I just don't talk. Before I do this, I'm gonna round these corners. Yeah, let's try that. You can, oh, that's the wrong spot. No wonder. Okay, rounded corners. I'm gonna go for a big staple. Okay, and then we're gonna put little numbers on them for the tabs. It's not cute. Oh my glue. Oh my glue. Oh my glue. And then I will go back to being quiet. Drink my tea and cough as much as I want. As much as my lungs need me to. And then this way, we'll just do this one. All right, here we go. There's our little number tab on there. Pop a little tag in there. Cute. I'm gonna open this up. Look at that one. This all coordinates very well. Isn't that nice? So here's the other one that I had, that low one. I'll show that one to you again. And like I said, on the deli paper, I just thought that was so cool on the deli paper. So you can use vellum or any kind of translucent things. And that's all I have for today. So as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.